Today's project is going to feature some applique with free motion stitching and then using our gathering foot to make these pretty ruffles.
This is our gathering foot. You may not use this on the everyday. It's got a funny little shape at the bottom, a little round like a bill duck, and an opening slot. This little slot is if you're gathering and attaching to a flat piece of fabric at the same time. But since we're just doing straight gathers, you're going to want to make sure that the foot is on top of all of the fabric. That means that your fabric will be touching the feed dogs and allowing pressure to gather it all at the same time. Now, one thing that I like to do is actually put my finger behind it, and that'll add an additional amount of pressure and have it gather a little bit fuller. Every once in a while, you're going to pick it up, release, and put your finger back. Just gently glide your fabric through. Doesn't it look great? Now we're all ready to attach it to our tea towel. Once you finish, you may want to go and make an additional one for a nice set. These tea towels are perfect to bring for a hostess gift or even hang in your own kitchen.